In this class, we will talk about loop and its source code. First of all, um we will talk about for loop. What is for loop? Okay, here I have a source code of for loop, and here you can see that. For suppose I create a variable and give value to it 2. Okay, and here is a condition. Alright, if condition goes true, my loop will work continuously. If condition goes wrong, it goes on false and loop is stopped. Okay, start from here. I have a variable and I give value is 2. Okay, and I say that if here is a condition, if 6 is less than or equal to 6, if check it condition goes true, then go to the print the result of its loop. Okay, after that add 2 into the loop and go again. And what is the value of variable is now? It is 2. Okay, now first time the value of 2 is 2 less than of 6. Yes, and go here and print I and plus 1. Okay, so after that go and check the condition back again and go here, and here is the value of loop is 1 plus 2 is 4 and 5, and 5 is less than 4, and come right here and print 5 value and go there, and same like that it will repeated until unless value come on 6. 6 are less than equal or equal. Yes, it 6 is equal, then it will again print. After that when value of 7 comes on 7, and it will plus variable, and when 7 is less than or equal to 6, it false, it goes on false and our loop is stopped. Now come on the source code, and here I want to add project back and class for loop and add it here, and I'm here is my index file and here is javascript files. Okay, now I start for loop, and this is the basically condition of for loop. It is first part, and second part is less than or equal to for suppose I take 6. Alright, and here I want to here it is increment operation. Okay, now I want to say that print a. Okay, so I call document dot write, and here I call a. Alright, so I want to open it. Okay, now I want to say that I want to display it on new page. So coming here, and let's see what is the result of it. And here I don't get any result of it because I haven't saved. Okay, and coming here and checking result, and I call a console. Here I got unexpected syntax error. So what is syntax error?